Looking to bring some soft color and fluttering wings to your garden? Meet Ageratum corymbosum, also known as the blue mist flower. This native beauty grows 1 to 2 feet tall, spreads out to 4 feet wide, and blooms with fluffy lavender blue flowers that butterflies can't resist. It thrives in filtered or indirect light, or part shade, and prefers well-draining soil, just like a true desert dweller. Hardy to 10 to 15 degrees Fahrenheit and great for zones 8 to 10, this low shrub is native to Arizona, New Mexico, and Texas, making it a perfect pick for pollinator-friendly, water-wise gardens. Also known as wild ageratum or blue boneset, it's the ultimate desert nectar stop. Get your blue mist flower at Richard's Garden Center in North Phoenix, or call 623-434-6922. Let's grow something amazing.